Welcome to Inspire Civils. As we reflect on the future of financial health in India, a deeper understanding emerges beyond merely opening a bank account. True financial health encapsulates the ability to secure one's future, a fundamental shift from mere inclusion to empowerment. When citizens truly grasp their financial well being, they prosper individually and collectively, paving the path for a stronger nation. A poignant example is the story of Nar, a veteran golf caddy who, despite having a bank account for years, struggled with planning for retirement. His journey symbolizes the crux of financial health. It transcends mere banking accessibility. With the help of the national pension system, Nar embraced a proactive approach to his finances, transforming his aspirations for retirement into reality. His story encapsulates the spirit of financial health as having not just resources but the mindset and tools to utilize them effectively. Indeed, democracy and economic stability hinge on a populace that can manage daily expenses, negotiate emergencies, and cultivate future investments. While India has successfully expanded adult bank account ownership, soaring from 56% to almost 89%, this progress needs to evolve beyond unlocking doors to financial opportunities. We must focus on using these accounts as instruments of prosperity, moving towards a model of financial wellness. Queen Maxima's four crucial steps illuminate this path, urging the transformation of Jan Dhan accounts into comprehensive platforms that integrate pensions, insurance, and other benefits, especially for vulnerable populations. Harnessing digital public infrastructure enables citizens to make informed choices, streamline saving habits, and secure responsible credit. By implementing advanced technologies like DigiLocker and AI, individuals can safeguard their financial transactions and enhance decision making. Gathering and analyzing financial health data are equally pivotal. Such data can empower policymakers to design effective solutions, enforce consumer protections, and ensure accountability across financial institutions. The strength of collaboration among governmental entities, banks, fintechs, and regulators cannot be overstated. As evident in nations that have embraced public private partnerships like the Netherlands and Indonesia, a collective effort can advance comprehensive financial health significantly. Aligning this ambition with India's goal of Viksit Bharat by 2047, we can aspire to create a landscape where financial health is not merely a goal but a fundamental right for every citizen, fostering inclusive growth and economic prosperity.